So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful concept called service-oriented architecture, or SOA for short. Imagine you're editing a video. You want to compress the footage, add some cool filters, and maybe even throw in some music. Wouldn't it be amazing if each of these tasks could be handled by a separate mini program that you could just plug and play? Well, that's the basic idea behind SOA. Let's break it down and see how it can revolutionize the way you build software.
Think of your software application as a giant Lego castle. In traditional development, everything might be built as one big, complex brick. But with SOA, we break it down. Each service is like a smaller, reusable Lego brick. There are three key things to remember about SOA. Independence. Services don't rely on each other's internal workings. They just need to know how to communicate. Reusability. Imagine building a cool filter effect. With SOA, you can use that same filter in other projects, saving you tons of time. Standardized communication. Services talk to each other using a common language, kind of like how everyone speaks English here on YouTube. Think about it like ordering food in a restaurant. The kitchen, drinks counter, and dessert station are all separate services working together. You tell the waiter what you want, and they relay that message to each service. In the end, you get a delicious meal. Now, SOA comes in different flavors. We have web services like SOAP and REST, which use standardized messages for communication. There's also event-driven architecture, where services react to events happening in the system. Technically, services define contracts that outline how they interact. It's like having a service manual. Other services know what to expect and how to use them. Finding these available services is called service discovery, kind of like searching for a restaurant on Yelp. Of course, SOA isn't perfect. It can get complex managing all these independent services, and security is an important consideration, but the benefits are undeniable. Companies like Amazon and Netflix rely on SOA to handle massive workloads. Imagine all the services working together to recommend that perfect movie for you on a Friday night. Microservices architecture is like SOA's cool cousin. It takes the idea of independent services even further, breaking them down into even smaller, more focused units. Looking ahead, SOA principles remain relevant in the age of cloud computing and APIs. As software becomes more distributed and interconnected, SOA helps us build applications that are flexible, scalable, and future-proof. So there you have it. We explored service-oriented architecture, from its core concepts to real-world applications. Remember, SOA is about building modular, reusable services that work together seamlessly. Got any questions about SOA? Leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials.